A commercial roof seldom fails out in the open area. Water finds the details. The seams, penetrations, terminations, and transitions where materials meet. Parapet copings, pitch pockets, drains and scuppers, expansion joints and wall terminations. Every joint is a place for water to find a way in, and it goes well beyond the roof, plaza and podium decks, parking structures, planters and green roofs, balconies, and below-grade walls. Anywhere water meets the structure. We seal those surfaces with a fluid-applied monolithic membrane, silicone, PMMA, or polyurethane chosen for the substrate, bonded fully and shaped to every detail with no seams to fail. And we don't assume it's watertight, we prove it. We run a final inspection before we ever sign off. Where the roof is sound, a silicone restoration membrane renews it in place and adds reflectivity, extending service life for a fraction of a full tear-off. Backed by an industry-leading EMR for safety and certified applicators installing warranty-compliant systems from every major manufacturer. Stop chasing leaks. Seal the building envelope for good. Nation's Roof. National coverage, local service, trusted results.